Hi, this is Barbara Gulin back again to help you understand your federal employee benefits and how to make the most of them. Today I'm going to touch on long-term care insurance because I've gotten quite a few questions about that. The first thing you need to know about the federal long-term care insurance program is that as of December of 2022, that you will not be able to enroll in the federal long-term care program for the next 24 months. So it'll be the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, before John Hancock starts accepting applications for that coverage again. From the research I've done, it looks like about 6,000 of you each year apply for long-term care insurance coverage. With 11 million federal employees, that's a very small percentage. John Hancock is working with the government to come up with a sustainable cost model. For those of you currently enrolled in the program, you may be getting a notice sometime in the near future about an increase in your long-term care insurance premiums. Some people I've heard it's almost doubled. I don't know what your individual situation will be if you're enrolled in the long-term care program. I believe, like last time when there was a significant premium increase, they will allow you to continue paying the same premium you've been paying with a reduced benefit option. If you've got questions about that, reach out to a financial professional such as myself, a fiduciary who understands how your federal benefits work, and they can help you navigate that process. For those of you who are concerned about long-term care insurance coverage and now realize that you don't have the opportunity to enroll for the next couple of years, I want to encourage you that there are some other products and other options available out there. First of all, you could always go out and seek your own individual long-term care insurance policy. You'll have to go through underwriting and medically qualify for it. So if you're already sick or have something like COPD, chances are you're not going to be approved for long-term care. I also want to caution you that if you're in an individual policy, if you stop paying the premiums, your coverage is going to lapse. That happened to my in-laws. They paid into a long-term care insurance policy for well over 20 years. Short story is my mother-in-law hid her cognitive impairment from us so well that we didn't realize that the premiums had lapsed. It was a perfect storm of events that made that happen. But if that's not the route you want to go, and it's really not my favorite route because long-term care insurance does one thing, it provides long-term care. If you're fortunate enough to just fall asleep one night and not wake up the next morning, then all of that money has been wasted. It won't go to your family, it won't go to your spouse, it won't go to a charity. There's nothing you can do from a legacy perspective with it. There are, however, other products available on the market that provide a long-term care benefit in addition to other benefits like life insurance or perhaps lifetime income or some other situation where you're getting the benefit of long-term care insurance but also have the benefit of being able to care for your family after you've gone or provide for them or leave some sort of legacy. If you've got questions about that, click the link below and fill out the information form so that we can reach out to you and help you. If you do that and it's your first time that you've submitted something to us, we're going to send you a copy of this journal that I've created. It's called When I Die, Look Here First. Now, none of us like to think about dying, but it happens to about 100% of us. So what I've done is create this journal that you can fill out so that if something happens to you unexpectedly, those left behind have important information that they might need that you don't think of. Things like a list of your passwords. If you've set up any funeral plans, where they've been set up, where your funeral trust is, what you would like or not like at your funeral. There's even a place in here where you can tell people what you want, how you want your pets to be cared for, or if somebody's agreed to care for your pets in the event of your passing. There's also places here to include information about medical and financial and other professionals that you work with so that they don't have to dig through a bunch of bills and boxes and try to figure out who they need to contact to let them know that you've passed or to find important documents like your powers of attorney or a trust or a will. There's even a list here for heirlooms that you've promised to certain people. I encourage you, get help from a fiduciary who understands how your federal benefits work. We would be honored to help you sort all of it out and help you retire successfully. Thanks and have a great day.